Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let us discuss how to do the development of the given cylinder. Here the given question is, a cylinder of base diameter 50 mm and axis 70 mm is resting on ground with its axis vertical. Full stop. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to the VP. Here VP means vertical plane. Comma, inclined at 45 degrees to the HP. HP means horizontal plane. Comma, passing through the top of a generator and cuts all the other generators. Full stop. Draw the development of its lateral surface. Here in this question we need to develop the surface of the cylinder. Here I am taking this is the cylinder. As we know, cylinder at both sides it has circular shape. Okay, we can call this is the base. Okay, and these two circular surfaces are connected with the help of, if you see like this is called generator. Okay, and this is also called generator. On the surface of the cylinder, number of generators are there. Okay, uncountable number of generators. Okay, by using these generators we can connect these two surfaces, two circles. So this is called cylinder. Initially write the given data. Here base diameter is 50 mm. Okay, this is the base and this diameter is 5 cm and the axis is 70 mm. Axis means height of the cylinder is 7 cm. Okay, here I have written, and then the base is resting on the ground. Okay, here ground means, let us assume it is the horizontal plane. This is the base, it is resting on the horizontal plane like this. Okay, and then axis is vertical. If you are taking the axis here, axis means imaginary line passing through the center. This axis is vertical means it is like this. Okay, the position of the cylinder is like this. In this condition we need to do the front view and top view of the object. Okay, it is called projections of the cylinder. Okay, before doing the development we need to do the projections. So in the top view we can see the entire circle on the ground. Okay, and in the front view we can see this rectangle. Okay, let us do the rough diagram here. This is the XY line. Okay, in the top view, as I told, it is a circle, but this is a vertical plane. The gap between this cylinder and the vertical plane is not given in the question. We can take any gap here. So after that gap we can see this circle. So here we can see the circle on the horizontal plane. So this plane is called HP. Above XY line the plane is called VP. In the horizontal plane we can see this circle. Okay, now this is the top view. For getting the front view we have to do the projector line. We can see the entire height in the front view. Okay, we can see in the vertical plane. So here extend this up to 7 cm above XY line. So this is the front view. This is the projections of the cylinder, that is front view and top view. Now after that, here it has given, it is cut by a section plane. Okay, perpendicular to the vertical plane, inclined at 45 degrees to the horizontal plane. Here we are taking one cutting plane. Okay, this plane is making 45 degrees angle with the HP. Now we can take the plane like this. It is cutting this cylindrical part, which is, this plane is making 45 degrees. We can take in this direction or in this direction, cutting plane. Okay, if you are taking here, we can cut like this or we can cut like this. Okay, that plane is making 45 degrees angle to the horizontal plane, and this plane is passing through the top of the generator. Okay, top of the generator means this is one of the top of the generator, this is another top of the generator. This plane is tilting 45 degrees as well as it is passing through the top of the generator. And then next it has given about this generator, and it cuts all the other generators. This cutting plane is cutting all the generators. Generator means this type of sides of the cylinder. It is cutting all the generators. This is the position of the cutting plane. Now this is making 45 degrees angle and it is cutting all the generators. Okay, and it is passing through the top of the generator. Okay, this is the position of the cutting plane. Here after doing the projections we have to take this cutting plane. Okay, let us do the projections initially. First do the XY line of any length. Here I will do XY line. Mark XY here. Here take diameter of the circle is 5 cm, radius is 2.5. Now take this radius, do here one circle. Here do the horizontal diameter. Take this is a reference. Here mark the intersection points. Let us take this is A, this is G, and center is, let us take O. After doing the circle, divide this circle into 12 equal divisions. So here angle is 360 degrees. 360 degrees divided by 12. So each angle is 30 degrees. Okay, each part is making 30 degrees. By using this protractor, mark 30 degrees initially, and then next 30 at 60, next 90, 120, and 150 is coming out of this page. That's why I will take this direction also. Okay, so here 30, here 120. Okay, join all these points to the center. Now mark the intersection points B. At all the points, do the projector lines. Okay, here take this is the reference line. Two points are coming at the same line. Here mark the intersection points. Let us assume I am taking the bottom surface is ABCD. Here I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Here I am taking A means at the same projector line. Here I am taking 1. Here B means here 2 like that. Okay. So exactly two points are coming at the same place. Okay. A1 and A are coming at the same place. So take one more point here. A comma 1, B comma 2, C comma 3, D comma 4, E comma 5, F comma 6, G comma 7, H comma 8, I comma 9, J comma 10, K comma 11, L comma 12. Okay. For the bottom surface, mark ABCD. A front view is A dash, B and L front view is B dash, L dash, here C dash, K dash, here D dash, J dash, here E dash, I dash. Here center is also coming for the top center and bottom center. Here I am taking O comma O1. For the top surface center I am giving O1. For the bottom surface O, both O1 and O should come at the same place. Okay. Here for the bottom surface I am giving here O. So O dash is also coming here. On the same line 3 points. Here E dash, I dash. Here F dash, H dash. Here G dash. Okay. And do the front view. In the front view we can see the entire height 7 cm. Here mark the height of the cylinder. It is 7 cm above XY line. Take this as a reference line. From this point also take 7. And this side also take 7 cm line. Take this is a reference. At here also do the line. Okay. So take 7 cm. Take this is a reference line. And close this. A dash already we have marked here 1 dash. Here J dash we have marked here 7 dash. Here D dash, J dash. Here 4 dash, 10 dash. Here for the top center I am taking O1 dash. Okay. Now at all the points do the generators. Take this is a reference. Do the generator lines. Mark the intersection points. Here 2 dash, 12 dash. Here 3 dash, 11 dash. And here 5 dash, 9 dash. Here 6 dash, 8 dash. Okay, this is the projection and the projections of the given cylinder. After that, just do the cutting plane. Here this cutting plane is inclined at 45 degrees to HP and passing through the top of the generator. So it is this cutting plane is passing through top of the generator. We can take in this direction or in this direction also. Okay. Here I will do here 145 degrees line. Okay, at the top generator. So mark 45 here. Here I took 45 degrees point. Okay. Join this point to this top corner and extend the cutting plane which is cutting all the generators. okay, like this. So in this direction do the cutting plane. The cutting plane is always two big lines with a dot, like this. This is the cutting plane. I am marking V and T for the ends, okay. And here for this generator, this cutting plane cutting at B dash. For the second generator it is cutting at Q dash. For third generator EQ R dash here. For fourth S dash, and then for the fifth one T dash. For the sixth one U dash. Here for the seventh one, here I am marking V dash, okay. At all these points it is touching to the generators. This is the position of the cutting plane for the cylinder. Here we need to develop the surface of this cylinder, okay. So here developing of the surface means we have to take the entire surface and we have to keep in terms of one sheet. For example, I am taking one paper here, I am keeping on the surface like this. So this paper is covering the entire surface, okay. Shell line and final line are coming at together at one place, okay. Now if you are opening the sheet like this, if you are keeping here, okay, so this sheet is the development of this cylinder, okay. So how to define development of cylinder means whatever area is there of the cylinder, we have to take that area in terms of one plain sheet. It is called development of the surface. Here how much this length, any cases, here we are taking in terms of circle, so this length is 2 pi r, okay. So here 2 into pi into what is radius of it, 25 mm. So by using calci we are getting this value is 157 mm or 15.7 centimeters. What is this height? Here we are taking whatever height is there, it is 7 centimeter. That 7 we have to take, okay. We have to do this rectangular part 157 mm by 70 mm, okay. Here we have to do the development of the cylinder. So after some gap take one line here, this line of 15.7 centimeters, okay. 15.7 centimeter. Mark the end point. Now extend it up to that point, okay. Mark this 7 centimeter. Take this is the reference line. Take 7 in this vertical direction. Mark the end point. This side also 7 centimeter. Now join these two. This is the reference. Now initial points are here for the development surfaces. Here we are taking A and 1, okay. Here I am taking capital letters A and 1. For the last end also, last and first end are coming together, so here also I am marking A and 1. Yeah, after that we have divided the circle into 12 divisions. Here also divide the entire length into 12 equal divisions. Here how to divide any line into number of divisions, equal divisions. Here we have one procedure for dividing the line into number of parts, okay. Required number of equal parts. Do one inclined line here. Whatever line we are dividing at that corner, just do one line here, and by using compass take some radius, okay, and divide this into required number of parts. Here required number of parts are 12, so take some radius, divide into 12 parts. 1, these are center. Next second part, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10, 11, 12, okay. Here what we did, we took one angle line. This angle is less than 90 degrees, and we took some radius, we have divided it into 12 parts. Join this last point to the last corner of the line. So similarly at all these points draw the lines parallel to this last line, okay. Fix the drafter scale here and move the scale at all the points for getting the parallel line. Here I am using ruler scale, so do the parallel lines. Okay, here take the intersection points So we have created A, B, C, D points like this. Here it is B, here this point is C, this point is D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay, this is the A point or G point. Okay, here we have divided this line into 12 equal divisions. At all these points, do the generator lines. This is the main generator. Okay, take this is the reference. At B, do the generator line. Here these are the generators. For A we are marking 1. For B, take this is 2, this is 3, 4. This is 1. After marking all these points, mark these intersection points on the cutting plane on this surface. So for it, take this is a reference line, XY line is a reference line. And from P dash, mark P dash on 1A, first line. This is the first line. Okay. And first line is coming here also. First and last line are coinciding. So that's why I extend this up to here. Okay. Here we are getting one intersection point. Here and here. Okay. This point is, I am taking P point. Capital P I am taking. So on next second line, Q dash is coming. Second line as well as 12th line, Q point is coming. So move the scale in upward direction. Do the line up to second line. And then extend this line up to 12th line also. So mark this is capital Q. Here also Q. Next R is coming on 3 and 11 line. R will come at 3 as well as on the 11th line. Extend up to 11th line also. Okay, mark that point is R. And next S is coming on 4th and 12th line. Do the line up to 4th and extend this line up to 10th also. Next on 5th and 9th line T point will come. 5th and 9th up to 5 and then extend up to 9 also. Take this point is T point. U point is coming on 6 and 8 line. 6 means here and similarly on 8 also. So mark that point is U point. Now here V point is coming at the 7th. So on the 7th one here. So this is the V point or 7th point we can take. Okay. Here at the same. Now join all these points with the help of freehand curve. We will get the development of this part. Because we are removing this side part, whatever part is there, we will get the development here. Okay. Join all these points with freehand curve. So this part we can see after cutting this portion. Okay. Make this also dark. Now this is the development of this portion. Okay. And the remaining part, this part should be in light color. Okay. And here this part should be in dark color. And here mark the given dimension. Take any one of the diameter, keep arrows. Diameter of the circle is 50 and the height of this cylinder is 70 mm. And this plane is making 45 degrees angle. Take any one of the line and do arrows at both sides and mark the angle 45 degrees. Okay, this is the cutting plane. Now this is a method of doing the development of the given cylinder, and other development of surfaces video link I will give in description box. Please check it. If you like this lecture, please press the like button, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.